In front of me is Google Pixel 9 Pro XL, and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock. Begin by launching clock and tapping on alarm section at the bottom left corner. Then use those three dots at the top right one. Select settings and operate them however you want to. When you finish, go back and use this plus at the bottom to create new alarm. Then set up an hour, hit OK and wait. As you can see, my alarm was successfully created. Now you can adjust it however you want to. At the top you can add label and save it by hitting OK. Then pick days of the week by tapping on the chosen ones. Click on this icon next to pause alarm to exclude some dates and save them by hitting OK, or remove them by tapping on remove button right next to them. Then operate those three icons next to vibrate, weather forecast and Google Assistant routine to enable or disable those options. And when you finished, click on bell icon. Now you can download one of those platforms, log in and use music from the chosen one. Or you can select sounds and tap on record new to record your new alarm sound. When you finish, hit save. And as you can see, mine was successfully created and added. If you want to pick a song from your smartphone, hit add new under your sounds. Tap on the song and go back. And in order to pick one of those melodies from the list, just click on the best one and go back as well. Now to hide all of those options, click at the top right corner. To switch off or on your alarm, click on this switcher. To get rid of it, click on the top right corner again, and last but not least, click at the bottom left one. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!